Today is 3rd August and Independence Day starts on 15th August. So I'm gonna show you an interesting website named Har Ghar Tiranga. So step 1. So it's just a simple 4-step process. So let's start. Let's just read the instructions. Step 1. Click on Pin a Flag. Step 2. Social login, fill in your details. If you don't have any phone number, if you have a phone number, you can use it. But if you don't have it, you can type any 10-digit phone number, because mostly it is 10 digits, not other numbers. So step 3. Allow your location access. And step 4. Pin a flag in your location. So simple. Let's start. Okay. Let's enter my name. Saachirora. And I'm gonna use my some other phone number because I don't have any. So I can use 543268901. Okay, done. Now click on next. Now we are landing. Now it's saying location found, and then click on Pin a Flag. And ta-da! My flag has been pinned. And after that, download your certificate. You can download it, and share it. Whoever I want. But I don't need to share. And I say thank you for your participation and enjoy. So, and here's the beautiful certificate you will get. And remember, you can print more than one flag. Not just one, you can print 10 flags or even 10,000. Each one every day, or maybe 5 every day. So, hope you enjoy the certificate. Eat and enjoy. Bye bye. And celebrate your Independence Day.